What we're trying to do is get rid of some transactions on here without adjusting the balance. There's some here that are errors that need to be removed from the bank reconciliation so they don't keep on showing up. So what you can do is select like the day after the last reconciliation. It will pull up the list, check off the ones you want to adjust. It shows that you're going to be out of balance, but that's okay. What you want to do is take your beginning balance and put that into the current bank statement balance. Do bank adjustments. So now you're not out of balance. So the bank adjustment is the amount that you're out of balance. So you end up with the beginning and ending balance the same, and then put in a note, and then you post. And the post was successful, which is good. You can go in here, look at the report of the latest ones, and you see the beginning and ending is the same. And that's how you do it.